In the twilight though, engines roar and cry, little hands on wheels reaching for the sky. Plastic bumpers bend and laughter fills the air. Saturday night fever, nothing can compare. Smash and crash, let the fun explode. Tiny champs with hearts of gold. Power Wheels Demolition shining like the stars. Kids living free, forgetting all the scars. Slamming to the music, laughter fills the night. Every bump a memory under the moonlight. Parents on the sidelines cheering loud and proud, watching all the little ones lost in the crowd. Power wheels are flying, sparks begin to fly.
For Power Wheels competitors, we have the 00, Noah Sador. We got the number 100, Carly Nicolai. 1760 Junior, Katie Flowing. 1706 Mini, Kiera Blowing. 200, Blake Annabelle. Number 7, Jace Cook. I love this number. Pink Barbie, Peyton Malloy. Number 10, Carson Wells. 318, Oakland Strachan. 13, Shay Cook. 777, Carter LaJoy. All of these competitors are between the ages of 5 and 8. Let's hear it for these kids! Beaverton, I need your help again. My voice is a little hoarse from last night. I need a count from 5! 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go with Power Wheels Derby! Over to oh, big hit! Plastic flying from the 100 with the 1706 Junior making a hit. I know the 13 was hot to trot before everybody else wanted to. Wow! Up and over is the 13! Uh-oh, the gas pedal's stuck, it's still going. Okay. You good? Hang on! Red flag drivers, everybody come to a stop! That's what happened to you in the parking lot too, isn't it? What did you guys think about that? Now that we've got everybody back situated and sitting right, give me a count from 3! Let's go! There's that, oh, big into the back end! Oh, big hit all the way around. The number 77's kind of at the body sitting a little cockeyed on that grade. Uh-oh! Mom and Dad, I'm just going to tell you now, the pedal's sticking. And apparently, we need seatbelts. That's gotta be one of those DeWalt or Milwaukee conversions. Okay, that explains that. And yes, the conversion is legal in Power Wheel Derby. Uh-oh, I got smoke coming out the stacks. Big hit. You totally look like a regular Derby driver. Get out of my way! Are these kids putting on a show or what? If you like what you're seeing, let them in! Oakland's been waiting since February to have another kid show up at a Derby to play with her. Oakland was the only driver to show up in Gravenhurst with us. So she's having fun playing with some other kids. Demo derby in the Power Wheels. I see the Let's Bang sponsor name go finding the block. They found it last night too. You don't want to. Foot pedal doesn't work. I'm sorry. Oh, big hit! There you go. Now you're not stuck no more. I think these kids are hitting harder than the adults. What do you guys think? Ladies and gentlemen, can you help me with a count from 20? Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for these kids! We're going to take a couple minutes. All these kids that are in the ring right now are all getting trophies. We're going to have the fair ambassador come out and have some pictures taken while the kids are getting their trophies as they exit the ring.
In the twilight glow, engines roar and cry. Little hands on wheels reaching for the sky. Plastic bumpers bend and laughter fills the air. Saturday night fever, nothing can compare. Smash and crash, let the fun explode. Tiny champs with hearts of gold. Power Wheels Demolition shining like the stars. Kids living free, forgetting all the scars. Slamming to the music, laughter fills the night. Every bump a memory under the moonlight. Parents on the sidelines cheering loud and proud, watching all the little ones lost in the crowd. Power wheels are flying, sparks begin to fly. Every little victory, they bounce and glide. Round and round they race and slide, children's dreams on this wild ride. Power Wheels Demolition shining like the stars. Kids living free, forgetting all the scars. Slamming to the music, laughter fills the night. Every bump a memory under the